What is going on, everybody? It's Chris and Reese here. We have the fantabulous Volvo. We are actually doing a small announcement that we're going to push this thing to 1,000,000 miles. He just rolled over 200,000 today.
Just did, yeah.
Today, okay. I couldn't remember if it was today or yesterday for some reason.
It was today.
I don't know.
200,000 dead.
Yeah, 200,000. So we're hoping to push this thing to up to 1,000,000 miles. Enjoy the 1,000,000 mile club.
We're gonna play a little game. Make it up to 1,000,000 somehow at some point.
Eventually, on all original, obviously everything. If we can
Yeah.
keep it all original.
Obviously, there'll be repairs and stuff on the way, which
Yeah, but
we'll keep you guys updated on it.
Yeah, we'll have a couple uploads dedicated just to the 1,000,000 mile update. Of course, the 1,000,000 mile Volvo car will be hopefully keeping the original engine, transmission, original, obviously the main components.
Yeah.
So only little things will be changed here and there. But we hope that you guys will join us on this journey of 1,000,000 miles for this thing.
Yeah. So basically, at 200,000 today, I'll probably get all the transmission services done to it, oil change as usual, power steering, coolant, brake, all the usual stuff. So we're gonna get that all done here with the next week, and we'll see how it goes.
And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment what you'd like to see, and also subscribe.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you guys check out other videos here, and don't forget to also subscribe.